squeeze. Rolling with the gorilla, swinging in the highest trees. Banana clip make you fall straight to your knees. No remorse in my eyes when I'm showing the peace. I'm not trying to fucking eat out here, I'm trying to feast. I've got the devil in my back, raging like a beast. I'm hearing voices in my mind, so you know it's peak. Mask on my face when I grind like it's trick or treat. Shutting off the food to the fiends, make it back to eat. I don't see no 9 to 5 job, wage your back week. Fuck the government at number 10, all the talk is cheap. My niggas dying out here, tears flood the streets. Mother screaming out loud, Lord, where's the peace? No reply, just harassment from the fucking police. I feel my anger inside, about to release. I change the name of a nigga to RIP deceased. My goons will rain on your team, make them scream retreat. You know it's war on this road, so revenge is sweet. Freak house deep on your street on a slow creep. Pussy niggas wanna play, then it's hide and seek. The first shell that hits the ground will lift you off your feet. The whole block heard the sound, stomachs turn weak. Second thoughts in the mind make them see defeat.